For today's prompt, I thought we would delve a little bit into some creative writing. I thought it would be fun to kind of take a departure from some of the personal narratives that we've been writing and delve into some creativity. You may have been as captured as I have been by the images of the penguins on a field trip around Shed Aquarium in Chicago. So, what's going to follow this is going to be three stills from some video of the penguins wandering through Shed's aquarium, getting to do so because Shed Aquarium shut down to outside visitors, and the trainer decided to let them out and wander around the aquarium for a bit. For today's 7 minute and 42-second writing, write a story as if you were one of the penguins wandering around Shed Aquarium. You saw all the cool things they got to do, seeing the different fish in the different tanks, wandering by the information desk. Imagine you're one of those penguins out on a field trip around the aquarium for the first time. What did you see? What did you do? Maybe even give yourself a name. Happy creative writing today.